welcome back to a new video. I don't know why I did that. Video on the other car, which is the Corsa. If you haven't seen the Corsa or know about the Corsa, just go and watch the other videos. Got an MOT on Wednesday, but you'll probably be watching this on a different day. So I've got an MOT coming up, and I've got one big problem. So the track rod ends are split.
This is the tie rod end, which has a ball joint within side. The tie rod is connected to the knuckle. Force is transmitted through both tie rods, which allow the car to turn left and right. Heavy steering impact or wear and tear can result to the ball joint becoming more loose over time or a split within the rubber seals. This can cause MOT failure in the UK or uneven tyre wear.
Pretty badly. I've seen them. I've had a health check on the car, so I need to get them changed. Today we're going to be doing the track rods, so it's another big moment for me, doing something which is completely out of my comfort zone, so it's going to be nice to get that done. You haven't seen the last video, which is the BM. I would like you to go and watch it because, as I said, I've got a giveaway going, which is £25 Amazon gift voucher. If you just like and subscribe, follow me on Instagram. The target is to get to 100 subscribers by the end of September, so go and do that. But let me just get the car in the workshop. Yeah, as I said, we're going to be doing the track rod ends, the ball joints. I'll show you how they are. But the reason why I want to do them is to firstly challenge myself, and secondly to see how cheap I can do it for. You can get this down for around £200 on both sides, but today we're saving hella lot of money. As you can see on the Proforma, I can't even say Proforma, we are saving quite a lot. So for both sides it was £43 to get the track rod ends. So you can see these are the Starline, so they're kind of the cheap ones, but no, they'll do the job. So yeah, I'll show you what they look like. So that's just for one side. It's going to be a very, very good guess. And then this is for the other side. So yeah, we're gonna kick it off. I'm just going to get everything ready, but firstly I'm going to have a nice smoothie. Get energy. We'll go. Before I start jacking the car up, I'm just going to mark where my steering wheel is. So I believe that's about center, with both wheels facing straight. So I'm just going to mark up just here on the dashboard, and then just here on top of the dashboard, just line it up basically, just to make sure that I know if I'm straight when I'm putting back the new track rod. So I can't say it, track rod. So the alignment is as good as it can get. And then what I'm going to do is, even after I've done it, I'm still going to get it aligned professionally, because I don't want to be driving with a wonky steering wheel. And if this moves and rips, then I know at least I've come out of position. So let's go ahead and jack the car up. Okay, so to take the bolts off, I have a 18mm, and it's just 4 bolts just there, and then obviously you've got your locking wheel nut key. There we go. So that is off. Just right there. Wheel up and everything. So you've got the track rod. Here's the ball joint. You can see that it's absolutely mullered. It's absolutely split. So if you live in the UK, that'll be a MOT failure. But yeah, gonna quickly spray it with DW40 just on the bolts. I'll give it about 5 minutes, and then what I'll do is I'll take that off. But just to loosen it up, I need to know exactly where I need to be in terms of the tracking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some tape. I don't know if you can see that, just tape it along here or just tape it on top, and then also when I'm taking it off, I'm just going to count how many times I've twisted it, so when I'm putting back on the new one, I know where the tracking will be. So just going to put on some tape and put it on where. To take this bolt off, need a 18mm. Now the WD-40 has settled. As you can see, comes off nicely.
2,000 years later.
Cool, bolt is off. So, off camera. I just basically had to crack this bolt just there. We were going the wrong way to try and crack it, but now the tie rod just comes off like a dream. Bosh. And then now you can see how bad, look at that, how bad it is. You can even see that it's just absolute split compared to the new one, which, you know, hasn't split, nothing, and is looking good. We want to make sure that this car gets no advisories on the MOT, so that is a big ask, but we can do it. Come on, let's go. So I'm just going to put this one in and then put everything back together, and then we'll do the other side. Looks like I'm okay with the tape. Looks like it's gone, but that is now sturdy. On terms of tracking, I should be okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to grease it up just over there on the nuts, and then it should be alright. That is all on and all tightened up. I'm actually really chuffed. I'm actually really happy. I'm not gonna lie, I've actually done it myself. Bosh. Okay, let's just actually go and check. Oh my god, I've absolutely just gone out. Oh, what have I done? I just need to do it up again. Managed to sort the steering out so it's nice and in line, so that's fine. Just gonna put the tyre back on. Now what I'm going to do is quickly do the other side. So that's this bit done. It was a bit of a headache, but I guess you live and you learn. I just didn't know how to take that track rod end off, but I guess it was the first go, so you can't really complain. But hopefully I can get this one done really quickly, and then that'll be the end of the video for today, guys. But let's go. I'm really tired, man. I'm just taking off the right hand side. As you can see, it's got on it. As you can see, that's the other side. So there's no way I was going to make it in terms of passing the MOT. But again, this is a video just to show you guys that you can all do it at home. It's very straightforward. I make it look really hard because I've never done it and I'm doing it for the first time. So it's just a lot of learning for myself and just kind of getting the hang of it. But so far, so good. Hopefully this one goes straightforward. I'm just going to put some DW40 on it, just spray it up, give it a couple of minutes, and then what I'll do is I'll crack that bolt and then just hack it away. So I'm going to set myself a little challenge. I'm going to put a timer on for 25 minutes, the new one on. I'm going to start the timer. Let's do it. wonderful. So look at the steering wheel, still in line, which I'm happy about, but again, that's going to get realigned. So that is the new one. Let's see how long I've got left. I've got 2 minutes left, 2 minutes 55, just in case. 2 minutes 52, so that is good. New one on. Let's just double check the old one. So that's the old one. If you can see, it's absolutely split. But I've got 2 minutes left, and I want to do it. I want to do it and complete it very, very quickly. So I'm going to put the wheel back on, and then hopefully that should be the 25 minutes to do this. Look at that. Oh, I done it. 25 minutes it took me. I am all done. All done. I am tired. I can't tell you, I am so tired. I have football coming up, which I need to go and play a full match. So kind of the wrong day, right day to do it. But we've got MOT on in the next 2 days. Or it expires, so I had to get it done. Quickly show you what the old ones look like. Absolutely trashed up. Look at that. Look at that. They were done. It came at a cost to remove them. As I said, done that. So tried, and I absolutely bent my ratch. Look at that. It's absolutely bent. For someone who's first time doing it, I wouldn't say got it right, but maybe got it right. I think I did get it right. But yeah, I'm actually super happy that I've done it. So that's another step in me actually fixing my cars. Please remember to like and subscribe. So just smash the like and subscribe. And if you want to watch all my other videos, just go on my channel.
Just to show you guys that the Corsa did pass its MOT with no advisories. I could not be any more happy that it came back with no advisories and it's a clean MOT. Come on, the Corsa.
So that is it. I've done it. Done the track rod ends on both sides. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you want to enter the competition that I'm doing the end of September, like and subscribe the video. And yeah, the description below on Instagram. So it's £25 for whoever likes and subscribes. Just thank you again. It wasn't an easy job. Thank God I've done it. Whew, I am tired. That was really, really long.